So for the shutter valves, this is what we're going to use. It's got PEX on both sides, which make it a little easier. It's quarter turn with the ball valve, so you can see, I don't know if you can see it. You can see it go through and shut off. So this is what we're going to use. Based on what's behind me, we're going to use PEX because it gives you a little more flexibility. It's going to come over top here into an elbow. Two elbows are going to come down. And this is where I'm going to put the access panel. So access panel is going to be right here. I measured where the shower is, which is 36 inches. It's going to come right up to here. So it's cutting a little close, but the windows, the glass door should be just up to here. So there should be plenty of room. Put the access panel there. Put the two shut-off valves here. So in case we ever need to do maintenance on anything, we don't have to shut off the water to the whole house. We can just shut it off from here. And then it's going to come down. There's going to be a T here. So the water is going to continue on for the shower and the vanity going to my left, and that's going to come down here for where the toilet is going to go. So previously we had these little shark bite push fittings and we capped off the water supply here. What I'm doing now, I've taken it off and I'm prepping the surface so that we can make a connection from copper to PEX. So this is the fitting that we're going to use. So we have this piece, this coupling that goes into the copper part, and then we have the nipple for the PEX pipe. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna solder this on, and then prep it so it's ready to put the PEX piping on. So as you can see here, I want to clean the surface for the copper, and then I'm gonna dry fit everything, mark off how far of a distance I need, cut the pipe, and then prep it. And then we'll solder it, and it should be good to go from there. So I ran into a little problem with the solder. That's because there's still a lot of water in these pipes. Okay, so I gave up. I can't get the solder to stick on because water is still in the pipes. I have no clue how to clear the pipes. So back up, I have a push fitting. I'm gonna connect both ends, one side copper, one side PEX, call it a day. $2-3 for this, it's worth the headache. So right here you have what I was trying to work on. I ended up using a shark bite or a push fitting instead of soldering, which still works. To be honest, I'm kind of concerned about the angle here, but there's no water dripping, so hopefully that's gonna be fine. This is where the access panel is gonna be so that we can easily shut off the water to the shower and to the toilet below. Can't see it from this angle. Yeah, so the access panel can shut off the water to the toilet and the shower, and because I have so many angles going on, so many fittings, you see there's a 90-degree elbow there, there's an elbow up there, there's a T's that come across here, more elbows, and finally more elbows. So that's why we test the pressure, and we're sitting at about 70 PSI, so we're good.